Alexa Trishler can tell us what we can expect.
Yeah, we are actually going to stay quiet along the Gulf Coast. No tropical threats for us here at home in southeast Louisiana and South Mississippi in the next 10 days. But let's talk about Hurricane Lee. It is obviously losing that classic structure because it's being sheared up. It's encountering a lot of dry air and it's weakening. Now it's still a Category 1 storm, but it's going over these cooler sea surface temperatures. It will continue to weaken as it moves to the north and northeast, and it's moving pretty quickly. But it will bring those impacts later today into tomorrow for New England and for Atlantic Canada. Again, they'll be seeing those gusty winds and heavy rain, possibly some storm surge and coastal flooding. Should make landfall in western Nova Scotia by tomorrow evening and then continue moving northeastward through the Canadian Maritimes, eventually out over the open ocean again as we head into early next week. So good thing is that it's weakening, but still tropical storm force winds are possible along New England and into Atlantic Canada. They could see gusts up to 50, 60 miles per hour, especially Nova Scotia heading into tomorrow. So that's something they'll have to deal with. Luckily, even though it's similar to a nor'easter, thankfully it's not cold. Could you imagine if they had to shovel snow after that? At least they don't have to deal with any snow, but hopefully they'll just get through just fine. Elsewhere out in the tropics, we still have Margot just kind of looping out. That will stay out in the open ocean. Now we have Tropical Depression 15. This was Invest 97. It has strengthened now to Tropical Depression 15. It will probably become Nigel within the next few days, our next named storm. It looks like it's going to take a path towards Bermuda later next week. So we'll watch that for them, but it looks like it will stay away from the U.S. East Coast. Here at home, like I mentioned, no tropical threats for us. That is great news. There is a